Rainbow. Rainbows are formed when light from the sun is scattered by water droplets. These water droplets can be raindrops or fog. Actually, rainbow is caused by sunlight and atmospheric conditions. Light enters a water droplet, slowing down and bending as it goes from air to denser water. The light reflects off the inside of the droplet, separating into its component colors. When light exits the droplet, it makes a rainbow. You can see it in this picture. Rainbow takes the form of a multicolored circular arc. It appears in 7 colors because water droplets break white light into 7 colors. Sunlight is made up of many wavelengths or colors of light. Some of these colors get bent more than others when light enters the water droplet. Violet color, with shortest wavelength of visible light, bends the most, while red color, with the longest wavelength of visible light, bends the least. The bending of different colors can be seen here when white light passes through a glass prism. VIBGYOR is an acronym for the sequence of colors in reverse order. Violet is on the bottom while red is on the top. Rainbow is an optical phenomena that appears when sunlight and atmospheric conditions are just right. Also, the viewer's position should be right to see it. You can see a rainbow if sunlight is coming from behind you. Rainbows are actually full circle. While standing on ground, you can see a part of it. Viewers in aircraft can sometimes see the circular rainbow.